So for the next 2 weeks, this is gonna be my first time car camping. I got here last night to join my mom and my siblings who have been car camping for 2 weeks already. They went all the way from California up to Canada, and now I'm joining them for the next 2 weeks while we go around Canada. I mean, we'll see how this goes. Like, car camping, I have no idea what to expect, but I thought it would be so fun to take you guys along with me. I started a Pinterest board and it's like a camping aesthetic, so I can like romanticize camping and make this trip super fun. So last night I flew into Calgary, so we're actually at a hotel tonight for the first night, and then we're gonna be car camping for the rest of the trip starting tomorrow. So I'm enjoying the hotel while it's here because we're not gonna have anything like this when we're gone. So today we've been doing a lot of fun stuff. We did a lot of hiking, we picked up camping supplies, and we're gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow. Look at my new mug, my camping mug.
I'm gonna say this.
On the bed? The shoes on the bed?
This is the setup for the bed. Look how cute. I think we have the best spot.
Trying to pretend she's not wearing the not so aesthetic coat, but you know what, you're wearing the freaking coat. Is it recording?
I don't want to see myself. Okay, this is my outfit for tonight, the first night. I have, stop. I have my fuzzy jacket with my hoodie, pajama pants, with my fuzzy sweatpants. First night in the car. All right.
Oh yeah.
It'll take me a minute to climb out of my bundle.
Yeah,
Night one. It's very unfortunate. The bathroom has a light and an outlet and everything, and I thought, oh my god, this is the best first campsite. So I go in with my makeup bag and my blow dryer to get ready, and the lights don't work and the outlets don't work. I was just supposed to do my hair this morning. I thought I was on easy mode at this campsite because I could do my hair, but unfortunately, that's not the case. So I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and I did my skincare. And now we're heading back to the campsite where I'm gonna do my makeup at the kitchen table. It's cold. I'm gonna do my makeup right now, and then I'm gonna blow dry my bangs. I actually was so warm last night when I was sleeping. I was so bundled. I had like 2 layers of everything, and I didn't even notice how cold it was until the car door was opened and the freezing air came in, and I was like, oh my god, it's actually so cold out. It was like 30 degrees. But I didn't even notice because I was so bundled up. Everyone else was freezing, see, and you guys clowned on me for all my layers. Today we're gonna hike. I have my hiking outfit on, and I have my hiking boots that I was supposed to break in before this trip, but we're breaking them in today on the hike. I got my lashes done a day before I went on this trip because I was like, I don't know how they're gonna hold up. I don't know, the lash extensions just don't really stay on me. It's always one eye that's way worse. I think it's because I sleep on this side. I always have like half the amount of eyelashes on this eye than this one. I already see them really falling out, which sucks. I was hoping they'd last at least the first week. All right, we got it plugged into the solar panel. Does it look good?
What were you aiming for?
I was aiming for it to look good. So this was our first day of hiking. We went around, I think it was called Emerald Lake, and it was so pretty. I mean, the water was like the most insane blue color, and with the mountains and the trees, we ended up hiking around the entire lake, so it was all day. And it's so hard to pick out an outfit because in the morning it's so cold, but then it gets up to like 70 degrees during the day, so there's just no right way to dress. good camping? I don't know. We got up and started hiking this morning. It is 1:45 and I gave up on this hike. It's so steep and I'm waiting here for them to come back down. Yesterday I got this necklace. It's a blue lace agate and it's like a huge stone piece. Especially outdoors, I love wearing my crystals. So for the last 2 days at this campsite, we did a lot of hiking. I also was taking a lot of pictures and you guys can check out my Instagram where I posted a bunch of them. Tierney and I also walked like a mile in the freezing cold to the showers. I hate camping showers, but I had to get used to them for these 2 weeks. And then our last day was definitely the coldest. It was like 30 degrees. It was so freezing. I have like 5 layers on.
It's like it.
I am frozen.
It's raining too.
Let's take a walk over to the forest.
Oh,
Come on, it'll warm us up.
it's so cold.
It's not.
I'm always taking lots of pictures. This lake was called Lake Louise and it was so pretty. And then we headed to the second campsite, which was in Jasper. Tonight we are cutting mushrooms for dinner. I went rock collecting and I found a bunch of cute rocks and cute leaves. Today we drove from Banff to Jasper and now we will be here for 2 nights and it is raining. It's so cold, not as cold as yesterday. Look how good. These are huge mushrooms. Tonight we're having mushroom pasta. This is my leaf collection. It's so cute. Thank you. Cool. I thought the last campsite bathroom was nice, but this is definitely the nicest. Like, it is so clean. This is crazy, right? Like, look at these mirrors. Outlets on every sink, soap. It's so fancy.
This is camping.
So we were only in Jasper for 2 nights, but it was a very freezing 2 nights. So we honestly didn't do too much. We went on a couple hikes and then we went into town where they had a coffee shop and some clothing stores. It was a really pretty area, but since it was so cold, we didn't leave the car that much. And then we were on to our 3rd campsite in Wells Gray, and this had some of my favorite hikes of the trip. So we drove yesterday from Jasper to Wells Gray, and tomorrow we drive to Whistler for 2 nights, hotel time, and then we go to Vancouver for the last round of the trip, and then I fly home. Look at my delicious hiking snack. Now I get to mold with this.
Zhirelle, let's go.
Okay guys, so we are hiking. Today is our last day car camping until we get a break at the hotel. We're gonna stay at the hotel for 2 nights and then we go to Vancouver after. I gotta go. We gotta hike now. More hiking today. This is what I've been craving the whole trip. It's so good. I got an iced pumpkin spice latte with oat milk and pumpkin cold foam. So we made it to Whistler after a long drive, and it was so nice to enjoy a hotel after a week and a half in the car. Like, having a bed was a game changer. We stayed in this really cute like ski village area. We went out to eat and went into a bunch of shops that they had. We also spent one of the days going up in a gondola, which was so pretty. We went out to eat and just had a great time. Like, I loved staying in a hotel. And now we were headed to our last stop, which was in Vancouver. I really loved Vancouver, like the fall colors. We did a bunch of stuff. We went out to eat. We had smoothies, we had sushi. It was really nice to enjoy the city, which I love, but then also the beach and the nature. And on top of that, seeing fall colors was my favorite. And I went into Aritzia and bought a new jacket. It's like an unboxing.
Very nice color.
Thank you.
I like it.
Look how cute.
Huh?
And it kind of matches this bracelet.
Oh, it does. What was that one?
And then I put my vest in here. That is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I'm home now, back at my apartment. I've been here for like a week. I spent the entire week editing this video. I really wanted to put it together super cute. I had a great time on this trip, honestly, and filming everything. Like, those 2 weeks flew by. Literally, when I got home, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I went. And now I'm back. It was a great time, especially spending it with my siblings and my mom. We got to see so many places. Like, that was my first time in Canada. It was so cool, very naturey and pretty, so I'd love to go back. But the fall time I felt like was the perfect time to go because I love fall colors. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely subscribe so you guys can see all my upcoming videos. I have so many planned now for the rest of the year. Also follow my other social medias. I posted all about this trip on Instagram. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for staying until the end, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Mwah.